SOFI update here in the third. Going to be a pretty short update because it worked out pretty much perfectly so far. We came down here to 1489. We didn't quite get into this box. I had one of my orders at 1492, but we do have two gaps down here. I still had some orders down here that did not fill, obviously, but I think there's a very good chance that we already bottomed because we already completed an ABC move here. So we have A right here. This looks like an ABC move right here, and then 5 waves right here. And then we had a huge bounce. So that takes care of the ABC move lower. From here, I would just be looking for this to hold 1490 and then head up here for a third wave. We can draw a parallel line now. And remember, the overall target was 22 bucks. So I'm not sure if this third wave is going to go all the way to the 1.61 fib, because that would be at 22 bucks. That was the overall target for the third wave. So we could even get just like a diagonal. This could end up being something like this. Could just be 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. Could happen. If we get a full move on the third wave to 22 bucks, then that means we're going higher. So if we get like this to 22 bucks, we're probably going to go up here to like 25 to 27 bucks. Although you got to remember that this is also a supply zone here. It's a weekly supply zone. So I would imagine that we don't get above this on the next move higher. We're probably going to break into it. We're probably not going to get above 24.64 before we get the next pullback. So I do think the second wave is finished, but if it did come down here and break the low, I still think it'd be by the dip, 1455, 1408, same playbook as before. Breaks the low here, then that would invalidate the whole move. So really, it's just buying down here and then just waiting for the next move higher. I would imagine it would at least get to this parallel line. So you're probably looking at least like 20 bucks, and maybe pretty quickly too, maybe by the 12th of February. We'll see, but yeah, it looks pretty good to me. ABC is pretty much finished. Going back, I guess I can do this real quick. If you're looking at the overall move, again, we're in that third wave higher. Overall target is 22 bucks. So not a whole lot to update here. But the only other thing I could say is there's a gap up here at 1786. If for some reason we came up here like this and they wanted to draw this out even longer, then it could go like this. And then that would just make this the second wave over here, because this is a supply zone as well. So that's also possible, and then we would just make our third wave from over here. So regardless, I mean, if you bought down here at 14 and it looks like it's going to top out around here, you could just sell and make some pretty good profit. Wait for another pullback, sell some covered calls up in here, whatever. We're just trying to hold this 1361 level and then wait for the next move higher. And it's actually pretty easy when you break down price action and you're not getting emotional. So that's pretty much it. The overall market looks like it might have bottomed as well. So we might be heading up here shortly. We might be at 20 bucks by mid-February, maybe late February. We'll see. But this move might end up being pretty quick. But of course, it could be drawn out if they want it to be drawn out as well. So that's all I got for this video. Just a quick update on SOFI. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if we can start a third wave or we start a B wave instead. These are the two options. That's what I see as the options. All right, that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.